I'm here to tell you about the Seahorse Plus being distributed initially in the US by rehabmart.com. This is a dual functioning chair, so it functions as a toileting chair and also a shower chair. For toileting, there's a removable bucket underneath, slides out nicely. You can roll the chair directly over top of a toilet in case you don't want to deal with any mess. For showering, the chair has a nice tilt feature. It's gas strut assisted. So this is nice for pressure relief, for comfort, for washing hair. You can tilt it 20 degrees or 40 degrees. A lot of adjustment on the chair. There's height adjustment for the seat. The legs are height adjustable. Headrest is adjustable. Removable armrests. There's anterior supports that you can add. The pommel's removable for cleaning. The wheels can lock in place for stability, for security. If you have a highly agitated kid, it's very stable in the bathroom setting. There's 3 sizes. There's small, medium, and large, and then 2 liner sizes for each size.